Hi there. So I'm back with another video, and in this one we'll see how we can get a 50% discount on Microsoft Azure certifications. And the certifications will be covering the fundamentals, that is AZ900, DP900, SC900 and AI900. So all these exams are offered by Microsoft, which are fundamentals exam. They cover the basics of their domain. Like for AZ900 is for entire Azure fundamentals. AI900 is designed specifically for AI services offered in Azure. DP900 revolves around data fundamentals, and SC900 is for identity and access management security, right? So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to register for AZ900, and this process will work for all the fundamental exams. We'll be seeing registration, attending the session, getting the voucher, and then scheduling your exam. So before proceeding further, I'll show you my certifications, which I received 2-3 years back when I first started my cloud journey. At that time, these exams were completely free. If you just registered and attended the session, Microsoft offered a complete 100% discount. But now the discount has been reduced to 50%, and still it's a good option if you want to check your skills and get a certificate. So you can see I got a Azure fundamentals, similarly the data fundamentals and Azure AI fundamentals, security, compliance and identity fundamentals. So now to get certification, we would have to go to the Microsoft virtual training days. I'll attach the link in the description. I'll click on that and then to the all virtual training days. In here we can select cloud platform. Here you will see Azure Data Fundamentals, which is DP900. And if you go to next, we will see the normal AZ900, which is fundamentals exam, right? So similarly, you will see for AI, sometimes they comes up. So you often have to check this website to see if the exam is available or not. Also, you can search from here, fundamentals. You can see the exams directly from here, right? Now, before going to the registration, I just want to show you the exams first. So if you search AZ900, you'll see the exams details, basically what the exam test you on and what the focus of the exam will be. In this case, we can see a test on your basic architectural components like compute, networking, storage. And if you want to prepare for the exam as well, you can prepare from there. And you can also take the practice assessment. Also, you can see the price of the test. So in India, it cost around 3691 and you'll get a 50% discount on this. So this is how you can see the details if you are taking this exam, what you will be tested against. And similarly, if you want to check for others also, you can just search for DP900, AI900 and SU, right? So we'll go back and in here, you'll select the one which matches your timings, basically which you can attend the session. So timings you can see from here. And if that matches your schedule, you can go to registration and details. In this, basically whenever we register we get two meeting invites and we have to attend both of them to get the voucher. For March 12 we can see the timings for all different regions, and if it matches you can go ahead with registration details. Also, if you scroll below you can see the 50% of the exam price will be taken off when you attend the session, and I'll fill some details here, your email. Also, keep in mind that whatever email you give here, you'll receive the discount on that. Also, in the Microsoft, whenever you want to download your certificate, you would have to log in with this email address. So use the email address. You would want to link it with the Microsoft one, and then your number, and then the job role like cloud admin or DevOps, anything according to you. And the company name, I'll just keep the random. Then the country, and then register. So now you can see, right? Thanks for signing up. You will receive the registration confirmation soon. So basically now I'll receive a mail from the Microsoft regarding the details of the webinar which I have to attend. Before that, I'll just want you to take to the FAQ. FAQ section will help you regarding your certification exam details. When will I receive my discounted Microsoft exam? How do I redeem the exam? And all of those details regarding this. So you have some questions regarding the exam, you can just verify from here. I just want to emphasize on some of the details regarding this exam. If you want to get the job for the roles like cloud admin or DevOps, right? These exams are not sufficient to land you a job. These are just good to have certifications which you can show up on your resume or LinkedIn. This is important to keep this in mind. So I think this can take some time for the email to get reflected on my side. I'll just give you an overview what will happen next. So Once you receive an email from the Microsoft, there will be a link to join the session, and keep the meeting invite in your calendar so whenever the meeting comes, you can join. And after joining, you will receive a email from the Microsoft that you've got a 50% voucher. So in the next video, I'll show you how the meeting invite looks and what you must do during the session to make sure you receive the discount, and also how to schedule the exam after you've got the voucher. So stay tuned and subscribe to Cloud with Aarya.